Once again, IIT aspirants JEE 2024, a very special problem for you in physics. On the basis of my experience, मैं वही क्वेश्चन आपके पास ले आता हूँ जिसकी हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है JEE 2024 में आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर का हिस्सा हो सकता है. स्मार्ट प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट सी. एक मास दिया हुआ, अननोन मास, कैरिंग अ चार्ज Q1, पॉजिटिव चार्ज, इंक्लाइन प्लेन पे रखा हुआ है at an angle 37 degree. There is another point charge in space whose magnitude is Q2, positive charge. Now what it is given in the question, this mass slides slowly. The drop in height is h, 1.25 meter given, drop in height. The mass slides and comes to this position. The velocity of the mass is 3 meter per second. दे दिया है. Coefficient of friction between the mass and the plane is given mu, 0.375. And one more thing is given in the question. Electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion is negligible compared to force due to gravity. That means force of attraction and force of repulsion will not have much of an effect on any force along the plane or normal to the plane. That's all. That is the secret here. Electrostatic force is very weak. They're asking you, if this positive charge is changed to negative charge for the same drop in height, what will be the velocity of this mass? In the first case, it is 3 meter per second. When it is converted into negative charge, what will be the velocity at this place? A smart problem. See how we are going to solve it. See. Now, drop in height, that is drop in potential energy, मैं लिख देता हूं mgh. Using conservation of energy, I can write down kinetic energy at this position is half m3 square लिखना था, लेकिन मैं v square लिख देता हूं. This is the kinetic energy. Work done against the friction in traveling this distance is mu mg cos theta. Those who have done inclined plane problems, mu mg cos theta into distance s. S can be found out using trigonometry. If this is theta, then s is equal to h sin theta. Okay. Now the mass, that is the charge, has come from this place to this place. Change in potential and electrostatic potential energy will be minus k Q1, Q2. Okay. Suppose this distance, assume कर लीजिए R1 and this one is R2. Then you'll have R2 minus R1 divided by R2 R1. This is the potential energy. Got it? Change in potential energy when the charge comes from here to here. Okay. Now in the second case, when this charge has become negative, we will do the same thing, that is loss in potential energy is same. mgh, charge, negative charge, yahan se yahan aaya, half m, we don't know velocity at this point, we'll call it v1 square. यही v1 आपको फाइंड करने बोला है प्रॉब्लम में. Work done against the friction is same as the previous one, mu mg cos theta, and this distance is h sin theta. And because this is negative this time, potential energy के term में everything will be there, but negative will turn into positive. K Q1 Q2, okay, and this one will be R2 minus R1 and R2 R1. Beautiful. Two relations, two equations we got. Now in the two equation, ये electrostatic potential energy का term negative and positive उड़ जाएगा. What remains is, if we add these two equations, 2 mgh is equal to half m v square, ये वाला v square, and then half m v1 square. Got it? Two terms, and these two terms will be added up. That is twice mu mg cos theta h sin theta. Got it? Smart way. Duster ले ले. जो चीज जरूरत नहीं है उसे मिटा दे रहा हूं. नीट एंड क्लीन बोर्ड मेरे बच्चों को बहुत पसंद. So this is gone. Now we have these equation. From here, if you see, we'll mass eliminate हो जाएगा दोनों साइड से. What we are going to get is v1 square. We are going to get 4g h1 minus mu cot theta minus v square। इसमें डालोगे आप, अल्टीमेटली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 4 g की जगह 10, h 1.25 दिया हुआ है, एंड 1 माइनस mu is given 0.375, and cot theta 37, cot theta will be of course 4 by 3 if you solve, and पीछे में v square है, that is 3 square। okay, so if you solve this one you are going to get ultimately, रफ में solve कर लीजिएगा, you will get this 16 का square root निकाल देंगे, that is, इसे मिटा दूं, v1 is going to come square root of this one 16, that is 4 meter per second। आप जैसा टिक करोगे, ब्रिलियंट प्रॉब्लम फॉर जेईई मेंस एंड एडवांस। ओके, 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड डायरेक्ट IIT बॉम्बे। आपके माँ बाप के सपनों को साकार होने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता। फॉलो मी सिंसियरली अप टू जेईई एडवांस। ओके, 2024 बेस्ट ऑफ लक।